bring up the chat. The chat. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Wait, why is chat disabled? What? Gentlemen in the mix. Oh no, I'm not trying to watch this. Oh.
Yo, what up, dude?
Yo, what's going on, man?
Chillin'. We do this.
What's
Who
up?
else is on? Me?
Yeah, just you.
Yo, are you going to the baby shower?
No, I don't think so, man.
Yeah, me neither.
Yeah, no, I
You
gotta.
should tell him though. You should tell Matthew though.
No, I
He
already
feels
did.
like
I already did. I already
like,
talked to him.
oh, you did?
Yeah.
He was like, yo, I think he's ignoring me. I was like, nah, bro, he's probably busy.
no, hell no. What? No, when did he tell you that?
I want to say like 2 days ago.
Oh, no, dude, I already talked to him.
Okay.
Yeah.
But what are you doing? What have you been up to?
Dude, not much, man. Just
What do you got going on today?
I'm trying to figure this out real quick. What? Let's see if his video
Had a-
is it?
Fucking
Hold
had
on.
a horrible week. Trading.
Premiere. I don't. Wait. I'm trying to figure out.
Figure what out?
How do I enable the chat? We're on YouTube Live right now.
Oh, we lit.
Yeah, we lit.
So you try. Oh, so you trying to change the settings on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I think that should be. I think you have to like be. Do you pay for a subscription or something like that? Because I think that's only like. No, I don't know.
No, I
Maybe
don't
it's
think so. There's a way to do it. There's one viewer,
Maybe.
but how do I change the fucking settings for the chat, bro? You gotta be kidding me.
Maybe
Oh,
it's
there we
on
go.
the
Live
chat
chat.
box.
There we go. All right.
There you
Cool. Cool.
All right, we lit.
We lit. Oh, okay. Now I got the chat
But yeah,
right here
buddy.
next to me. Cool. All right. That's cool.
Yo, what's the link? What's the link for the?
For the chat. I got you.
Yeah, you drink Colombian coffee. Is that Colombian? Oh, really? It's too late now. Fuck. So yeah, dude. I think it's it's my last week this weekend.
What at work?
Yeah, tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow, Friday.
Oh, really?
Mhm.
Oh,
And
why?
I gotta go pick up my new work truck. No, I'm joining another company.
I
Like
see.
way better, dude. Benefits, PTO, you know, everything, you know.
All that good stuff.
health,
Yeah, I
you
see
know,
what you mean.
You know what I mean? It's a big kicker, bro. Like paying $30 a check for health insurance for all you can imagine, like anything that you can imagine is
Yeah.
worth it. You know what I mean?
Oh,
The company that I'm
100%.
with now, dude, yeah, the company that I'm with now, like if you add your kids on there, it's like $200 a check, and it's like what? Like, dude, nah, let's get out of here. So now this new company also, they raffle away houses, like they do raffles, but with houses. And this year they already raffled 2 houses. They're gonna raffle 1 more by the end of the year. And they're not just like regular ordinary houses. They're not mobile homes. Nah, dude, they're 2-story houses. Like, bro, crazy stuff, bro. I'm like, what? I've never heard of a freaking company that raffles a house. Never.
No, that's crazy. I've never heard of
Yeah,
that either.
Yo, facts. And
Yeah.
then, and they also do the you know, like if you recommend somebody to the job, if they spend there for more than 30 days, they'll give you $1,000 extra
Okay.
on your check. Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. And it's a great company. They give me my work truck. Like when I got here, they gave me a work truck, but then they sent me to a different department because they needed me in a different department.
Yeah.
But they took away the work truck, and I told them like, hey, before I start, this is the only thing that's gonna be the deal breaker. Like, I need the work truck because, you know, like it'll be a lot easier for me to get to work and back and not have to worry about anything. You know what I mean? Get the kids. You know what I mean? And they're like, okay. They took that away from me, and then it's like, then it was getting to the point where I was constantly moving my tools around, moving them, and it's like, dude, I can't keep moving my tools. Like I got like 3 fucking 4 tool bags. I'm not gonna keep moving this every day.
Yeah,
And
of course.
I just kept on getting sick of them telling me, yeah, just keep waiting. And I had a company that told me the same thing before, and I was like, nah, you know what? Just keep waiting. You guys can keep waiting. I'm going to a different company.
Oh yeah,
That's what I did.
you got to do what you got to do. Well, you got to do what's best for you. Absolutely.
Exactly, dude. And then so that's
Yeah.
what I did. So I was like, you know what? I'm out. And I found my buddy was begging me to go over there. He's like, come on, man. Are you happy over there? And how's your pay looking? Is it you know, like,
Yeah.
he was begging like just like selling me in every point. It's like, dude, this guy raffles away houses and just a bunch of shit. And I was like, damn. And then just after a while, I kept on thinking to myself, like, dude, this company doesn't offer any kind of benefits. This company doesn't offer any kind of great health insurance. Like PTO here,
Yeah.
all they offer is vacation time. And that's all you get. You don't get PTO, paid time off. You don't get none of that. And right? So let's say you've reached 10 years with this company. Do you want to know where you maxed out with vacation time?
Where?
Nigga, a month of vacation. That's
Oh,
it.
okay.
All you get after 10 years? No, what do you
Oh, after
thinking?
10 years? Oh, that's terrible.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
That's
You're right.
whack, nigga. There's companies that do like a whole month after a year, or
Yeah.
I mean a whole week after a year.
Yeah,
And it's like, so think about it. By 4 years, you're already at a month.
true.
And then look, like this piece of shit company, they're like, oh yeah, no, 10 years. It's like every year you get a day. I'm like, well, what? Like, yo,
Yeah, every year you get a day, bro. That's cool.
you got me fucked up.
Jenna, what's going on?
You're top of the morning.
How's it going?
Back, baby.
Okay.
Hey, how's your week? How's your week so far?
That shit was
good.
lit.
I mean, I had no phone. My shit was done.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Yeah.
like. Oh yeah.
I don't know
but
how
posted
you.
on
I don't know
IG.
how you was working with that shit. How were you
Bro.
even seeing it? Like, what'd you do? Put it on the screen and see, put it on a computer. You know what I mean? Like,
So pretty much only the right side of my screen was black, and then the left side was like I could see. So I'll go on Trading View on the 5 minute zoom in and then move it the chart to the left. Like I was doing the most. But word of advice, don't trade on a broken phone. Like I couldn't set stop losses. I couldn't set TPs.
No.
So I was like, damn, I'm not even gonna force trading right now. But I was like, I would go home though and mark up charts on my laptop.
Yeah.
So that's how I knew like where I wanted to go. But when it came to trading in the morning, retarded. But you know, I spent the weekend in the Poconos with my lady.
Okay, that's cool.
Chilling, yeah. We won like 700, which is dope.
Nice.
Well, my girl, I'm not gonna lie. My girl won 700. I won like $60. My girl won like 700. But her money's my money, so it's the same shit. Oh,
what did she play?
She just be on the slot machine, bro.
Slot?
Nah,
wait,
slots, yo.
$700 on slots?
Bro, my girl.
Oh my god.
Alright. So before, cause my girl, she works for BetMGM, right? So, but before she even started working for the casino, like, she was always hitting, and I just didn't understand why, yo. And then I tried her little technique one day, and I won 2 racks. So I was like, oh, fuck roulette. Like, I'm not gonna play roulette no more.
Yeah.
So every time I go to the casino with my girl, she hits. Like, I don't get it. Like, and it's
you
all
didn't
like,
watch what she does? You know, you didn't watch what she does? She didn't give you any kind of advice?
So pretty much what she does is, okay, you can't bet the minimum. Like, that's retarded. You have to bet, like, at least 2 times or 3 times your original bet. So, like,
that's right.
$1.76 or $2.50. Like, you nothing more than that, right? But when you deposit like 50 or 100, because then the machine thinks, okay, you're about to run this whole 100 up. So it'll let you win here and there so you can keep playing.
Yeah.
But what my girl does is she'll put like 100. She'll put like 176 or 250 for the bet. She'll hit, and then she'll just cash everything out and go to the next machine. And then she always jumps on a brand new machine, because if you're on the same machine, they like, especially with a player card, they know like how many times you won on that machine.
Yeah.
So they're gonna try and take your money back. Like, yo, I don't know, my girl's like a genius with that shit though.
Yo.
No, that's cool though. I mean, like if you know how to gamble, like I love gambling, by the way. Like I'll go to Vegas anytime. I'll gamble. I'll play blackjack, craps, poker, all that good stuff, and then like I have a good time doing it. But like I know where my statistical like advantages at the casino. So it's like I don't play too much slots, but I play games. Like you know what I'm saying? Like that's my shit right there. I'll definitely play that all day too. Especially poker. Poker is dope. Like if you know how to play poker, it's cool. Cause
you still do that live shit, that online shit or not?
Yeah, for every now and then, I'll play some poker online. Yeah.
I get a bunch of like notifications from that when I signed up that one time.
Bro, it's so dope. Like anytime that you guys want to play, like we can play in the same table, and yeah, we'll play for money. We ain't gotta play for like crazy amounts, but we could play for like 20, like 30, something like that, and we're playing like the cents. Cents are pretty much cents or $1 per game or something like that. Like that would be cool.
Nothing
we,
serious.
Yeah, we could be like on Zoom talking shit and just playing. Like that would be dope.
What about that VR? You're not trying to play poker on VR anymore?
You know what? Like, it was, man, I don't know. The VR, it was so hyped up by Rafi, Camilo, and like nobody gets on now. It's like, bro, like I just don't have the time. Like I have the time for it, but I'd rather not use my time for it. I don't know. It's cool though. I mean, it was a cool experience. Like I'll still play. Like I'll still do my thing and all that. But like, I'm not. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah,
I'm not as into it.
Like that VR shit is cool, and
then I get a headache after a while. It's just like I get a migraine
I had that shit
and
for
shit.
3 years, and I played it for like 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Good question. Who's Meech? Who's Meek?
Meech? I have no idea. He just came in, no?
Yeah, and
he just
then
came in
there's another
yesterday.
one, right? He says thank you for the ad, Chili Executive. I guess that's another kid that's in.
Oh, she plays Steven.
Oh, she what?
Oh, that's Steve. Okay, that's Steve. That's Steve. The V. Steve V.
Oh yeah, that's Steven. Yeah, that's Steven Fernandez, I think.
Okay, so that's his buddy then.
Yeah,
His buddy.
yeah. Oh shit.
They're gonna learn Hoover. Yo, you know they wanted that motherfucker dead after he sang that song.
Who?
The Crips. Crips
Oh.
wanted Rick Ross dead. They wanted him dead after he was saying that. After he's saying, "Think I'm Big Meech, Larry Hoover."
Feels kind of cool being on that YouTube live right now, but it'll take.
YouTube Live.
Yeah, we on
Yeah,
YouTube
we-
live right now. Yeah. But
Yeah, baby.
What's going on, word?
it's cool, but I gotta get the viewers. Huh?
Are you catching that cell right now?
I'm waiting for the low to be taken out. Yeah.
Okay.
Word.
What do you guys looking at?
Full move. Well, I was looking at EU this morning.
Oh yeah.
And I was looking at NAS. I was at NAS 100. I caught a.
No, go ahead. Good.
I caught it was like 259 pips on the buy yesterday.
Ooh, that's
And I
nice.
fucking- yeah, dude, and I fucking closed out, and then it shit tanked right after
That-
I fucking closed.
This moves, bro. This moves aggressive. Like I was actually back testing it yesterday for a few hours. Not gonna lie, I didn't get it down right away, but like because it's almost like the way it spikes. It like you have to be trying it out like live, right? Like in real time. Whereas when you're back testing, some of these candles like go crazy, so it's like you'll miss the move when you're back testing. But it's like, bro, it moves, especially if you calculate it correctly. Like it's,
A lot too. It's not like 10 to 20 pips. Like 10
No,
to 20 pips,
not
like
at all.
200 pips.
yeah.
200 pips. Crazy.
Yeah, I took a sell last night on EU, and it was playing out really nice, and then all of a sudden this shit just like turned around completely. Yeah, I was in a sell somewhere around here. That's what it was. I was in this sell here, and it dropped. I was waiting for 20 pips to hit. I was 2 pips away, and this shit just decided to turn around. Yeah, it was.
I think Rafi got stopped out too.
Yeah, it was ugly.
I think I got stopped out too. To be honest, I was in that trade myself too.
Yeah.
But it was bad. It was bad.
No, it was ugly. But
yeah, no. But that you guys, I think you guys rebounded with the buy last night, right?
no, I didn't even catch
Oh,
the
no.
buy. No. I went right back to sleep.
That was Rafi.
Yeah, I
Okay,
went.
yeah, that was Rafi. Rafi caught the buy. He actually caught a nice buy.
Yeah, I went right back to sleep.
Yeah, I don't blame you, bro.
Cause bro, it was like 2, 3
away.
a.m.
2 pips.
Yeah, 2 pips away, and I was just like, you know what? Like, I'll just wait. I'll just wait until New York session, see what I find. But other than that, I wasn't feeling it.
Yeah, I think the biggest loss I had this week was like 327.
Oh, okay. 320,
but
327? Damn. Okay.
Yeah, but it was good though. I had a good week though. It was still a good week. Like, that was the only bad day that I had. And it was,
Yeah.
It was, I think it was Thursday. No, not Thursday. Last week. I think it was the beginning of I think it was Sunday. I think
Yeah.
it was Sunday. Yeah. And it took a fat ass loss. I was in the Bitcoin, and then that shit just decided to go up.
Yeah.
But sorry, I always fucking take videos on Bitcoin. I remember I lost $657 on that Bitcoin loss one time. I was eating breakfast at a breakfast spot.
Yeah.
Yo, my girl looked at me. She's like, "What's wrong with you?" I looked at her like, "I gotta go."
Nice.
Yo, food's on you, you heard?
Yeah.
That was good.
Let me
Shit. Yeah, dude, it's gonna be lit this weekend. Yeah, I think there's gonna be a party.
Oh yeah.
92,000 theme party.
Mm.
Lit.
Yeah, that's my shit. Oh,
Facts. It got me excited.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, I gotta change.
I want to throw like a 80s party.
Yo, quick question. What do you guys think of I'm really trying to come up with like a good logo for the Discord, for the the mentorship, all that good stuff, right? And hear me out, right? Hear me out. I know a lot of people be like, yo, but why this, right? But just hear me out, right? Y'all ready?
I'm waiting.
All right. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and share this screen real quick. All right, can you guys see the screen?
Yeah.
All right, so hear me out.
You made these? Did you make these? Or is this
Yeah,
something that...
no, I made it on Photoshop. Okay, so this, I'm gonna go ahead and just break it down, right? I'm a big fan of like the Japanese culture and all that good stuff, right?
Okay.
So obviously this is a name, right? And then this is a symbol towards the trading community in, like, I guess in Japan, right? So like I said, I'm a big fan of it. I like the idea. Now it's not like for sure, but I thought I'd just kind of try it out. So there's that one. And then there's this one, which is, if you guys can see the screen, is this one here.
Oh, there we go.
So it's got like the Tokyo city behind it, like inside the symbol,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. What you guys think of the idea though?
I like that one. That's nice. It's a good idea.
Idea
Like,
itself, yeah, it's fire.
It's cool.
I want to know what the symbol means.
The symbol is like, it just symbolizes a trading community, like traders who trade pretty much on a consistent basis. That's all it really
Shit, I
is.
might get that shit tattooed on me, dog.
That looks, I mean, yeah, I saw it. I saw it too. I was like, yo, that's pretty cool. There's this one too, but I don't know if I kind of like the other one better.
The red one. The red one.
Way
There's
better.
there's this one too, but nah, I think the other one this is it. Yeah. So that's just an idea though. I got another one that's being worked on right now. But I came up with this one. I got someone else working on a different one just to get an idea, but yeah. I'm kind of leaning
I like
towards that.
that.
That's cool.
And you should definitely do it because at the end of the day, like,
It's yours.
this is,
You
this
created
is your shit, bro.
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah.
And
Just
careful
wanted,
with whoever else you have it doing it. You know what I mean? 'Cause
Yeah,
you
yeah.
know,
just
Oh,
wanted
yeah.
like a personal opinion on it. Oh wow, it's actually dropping right now.
Yeah, I would say be careful who you have it doing it for you, and just honestly, like she said, like if you create it, you're gonna have more of a sense of pride, and it's like this
Yeah,
is yours.
true,
Like, you
true.
built this shit from
That's
ground
true.
up. So
Yeah.
it's like, so when you do have another creative idea, you're spinning it off on your shit.
Cause
It's not
this
spinning
is
off somebody else's.
this is another thing that I was kind of like thinking about. I don't know. You guys tell me what you guys think of this, but doing this up top instead of and then doing the city background in the letters. But I don't know. I think that might be a little too plain. No.
Nah, I like your idea better because it's more of you. Like,
True. True.
you're also putting like your personality in there.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're absolutely right. Okay, so
Yeah,
that
'cause, I mean,
definitely.
the currencies are cool and all, but
Yeah.
we get it.
Oh, that's really dropping now. Let's go. Okay. So
So on the pull up, you think you're gonna
on the
you're
pull up,
gonna
I'm going to sell on the pull
I'll
up
be
here.
with you on that one,
Mm-hmm.
though. I'll be with you on that one.
Yeah.
You with it? It's a V. It's a V.
Yeah, definitely gonna get in here.
Oh, this is nice.
Let's see how it reacts to it, but
Yo, if this shit hit exactly where your fucking marks are at, dude, I'm gonna be like freaked out, dude. I'm just kidding.
but yeah, I mean it was the last like bullish candle before the drop, you know what I'm saying? So
Yeah, and it passed that low that you wanted it to look. That just dropped.
pretty much, yeah. And then it looks like GU really started dropping though, but I was waiting for it to push up here before it dropped. Yeah, let's see how it plays out, man. I like I said, I took a pretty bad loss last night, so yeah, it was like 970.
Yeesh.
Yeah, but it's all good.
That's a whole check back.
So yeah. If this shit drops all the way down here, that's cool, man. I'm cool with that.
Yo, big bag.
Yep, that would be a good 55 pips on that drop. Now it's dropping pretty aggressively, so I'm not sure if we'll get the pullback. If anything, if we were to create some sort of like level here and then we drop, then we would go based off of the supply here to scale in. Otherwise, we could still wait for this one to get hit up here. But that is it the 50? Oh yeah, there's about 3 minutes left on this GU one. Let's see what happens, man. Yeah, it was a pretty like long night. I couldn't sleep after that. I almost got on the charts at like 5:30 a.m.
Damn.
Yeah, cause I was like, yo, like, fuck. Yeah, no, cause I was waiting for that move. Like I was like, yo, like, if it would have hit my TP last night, I probably wouldn't even like. I'd be looking for a trade, but not necessarily wanting it. I didn't feel the need to get into a trade. Yeah. Not that I do now. It's just, you know what I'm saying? Like, obviously, taking big hits like that is not easy, so.
Well, of course not, bro.
Yeah.
Not a big love, but a big lesson.
Yeah, exactly.
So I'm guessing you were watching it and you didn't put, like, a stop loss?
No, I did put a stop loss, but my stop loss was, like, yeah, it was, like, pretty up there. I mean, it was still 10 pips, but, I think what happened was that I ended up getting into one trade, and then I saw that I felt like it was still going to continue in that direction, so I got in again. It was 2 5 lots back to back. So that made it a little difficult. But this is really dropping now. GU dropping.
Cover up everything it did this morning. That shit was flying up this morning.
Yeah, no, it really did. I think, like I said, it stopped me out twice. I was pissed. I was like, God, like, damn it. But being that we just broke this low, this was the low that I wanted to see break. So now, on the 3 minute, we could probably like catch something a little earlier. If you notice here, we have this order block here, so we can probably potentially catch this one here instead of waiting all the way to the top. And your stop loss is still going to be above the highs, so that's fine. That's if it gives us a fucking chance to get in. Yeah.
How is the index looking? Is the index really
I'm hoping bullish as fuck. Yeah, it is. Oh, look at that. That moved actually pretty aggressively there, so that's a good thing to see, especially if we're trying to catch these sells on EU.
What does tentative mean?
Huh? Tentative?
Yeah, it was on Forex Factory. Like.
Let me see. It just means probably the news didn't kick in, or they just didn't have the results quite yet. What is where does that say? Where does it say that?
In the post, in the screenshot that I posted in the chat.
Oh, that's
some
really
of the
dropping.
news says tentative.
Damn, dude, this is gonna fucking drop.
Yeah, it really dropped. But this just closed. That's a good deal though. That's really good. The 15 just closed. We should be able to get a nice little push back up to these highs.
I'm gonna set an entry. I'm gonna set it at 73. What do you think?
73. I mean, I would. Right now, my plan is I'm gonna aim for that 73.30, just because that's the last level that we had on the 3 minute that initially broke this level here. So if we do push up, I'm expecting it to push up into this level here, and then we'll expect like a nice drop from that. So that would be Yeah. Even though right now, like from right now to that level, it is 8 pips. So yeah, I mean,
Could be possible.
yeah. And then in the GU, the same concept. GU is pretty much the same. So we got a nice little push to the upside there, and then we can expect it to continue dropping. Oh, damn. I forgot what I think it's because there's a lot of streamers on, but back when we were doing like the Arrow streams, bro, like we used to get like 50 people, 60 people in the stream, but it was because we were trading London. But it's a work in progress. I gotta be consistent with it.
You got this.
Yeah, I gotta be consistent with it. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, and once we keep posting about it and like telling people about it.
Yeah, that too. Once I go back into like social media and all that shit too, I'll start promoting it. Yeah, decided to take a break from it. I mean, honestly, it feels good. Not even gonna lie to you, it feels good to be off of like Instagram and Facebook.
I'm thinking about doing the same thing, bro.
Like it does, cause like, not that I wasn't able to accomplish the things that I needed to do throughout the day, but it definitely is a distraction.
It's a big distraction. Yeah, dude.
It really is.
Big distraction.
Yeah.
And like, dude, it's also time consuming. It's a distraction and time consuming.
Oh, 100%. No, for sure.
And because it's bad for me too, because like I'll be on YouTube, like I'll be on that shit posting like a motherfucker, and it's like, dude, wow,
Yeah.
I could be doing something else with this shit. This
Yeah. No, dude, yesterday I like made well, actually the last few days I've been making like a daily checklist. Wow, that's really dropping now. Damn, the only safest play would be wait for the pullback though. Unless like you see how here you have, we just broke this low here. This is the only risk that like I would say you can go based off of, like if it pulls right back into this area here, then yeah, you can sell it off, but you're running a little bit of risk of the market just like completely going up. Yeah. So
yeah, I'm gonna wait though for sure. I'm gonna wait on this because look at the candle. It's looking very bullish.
Yeah.
And it's like, it looks like it just wants to. It's gonna push up a little bit.
Yeah.
Before it continues to go down.
Hey Nicole, how you doing? Welcome in.
Hey, sorry guys, I'm like sick as fuck.
Hey,
Good morning.
Barely talk without it hurting, so I'm gonna stay quiet, but I'll be on.
All right, that's cool. Hope you feel better.
Or you gotta drink some sea moss, bro. You always sick.
No, I'm not.
Hell yeah.
That's not a joke.
It's not a joke. You need some sea moss. You gotta get some vitamins.
Some-
is the best.
Some
Probably
Zyrtec.
One of the best.
What
Or
is
you know what's really good? Or also really good? Emergency with zinc. It's an immune boost.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I literally got a care package from like one of my girlfriends, and she got me some like vitamin C in there, so I took some, and then I got Pedialyte and shit like that.
Pedialyte.
This fucking weather, I swear. It's like hot as fuck right now. It's not even funny.
Is it?
No, it's like it's stupid hot.
Yeah, hell no. Hell no. Nah.
You come out so. Everybody was like, yo, you pissed your pants, didn't you? I'm like, nigga, yeah, duh. I had to play it off.
Yeah.
Not.
Crazy. That was so bro. That was so good.
It's hot out here too. We got that dry heat out here though.
Yeah, I was just gonna say.
I prefer dry heat. I prefer dry heat
I do too.
than humid. Did humid fuck you?
Yeah, I do too.
I like Arizona heat.
I've been to Arizona. I didn't really like Arizona too much.
Oh my god, I love it.
Really?
So much.
This could be a
Like
possibility.
so much.
Shit looks like it reminds me of an actual desert though. Like everything looks the same.
It is.
Yeah, you're right. Um, yeah, no, but I've been there a few times.
I'm looking at it's moving now. It wants to push up. So Nicole, we're looking at like.
I was just gonna ask, what are we looking at?
We're looking at possible sales for EU.
Yeah.
We just fucking missed it big time up here.
Also, there's a nice potential sell on NAS. Right, I would say probably like shit about an hour from now. I've noticed, and I was back testing NAS, right? Every time at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, obviously that's the stock market open, but bro, it moves crazy. Like you'll have some crazy moves with NAS, and if you're on the right side of it, of the move, like you're catching a really good move on that. So
that's what they were trying to teach us that on when we were at IM.
Oh yeah, I am. Yeah.
They would always have us mark up the chart like at 9:15, and then at 9:30 it was like off to the races.
Yeah, it's very.
It was dumb. It was just like they would have us do buys and sells.
Yeah.
And then whichever one hit, you know, like they would have a bunch of TPs, a bunch of stop losses, like. But sometimes with Nas, that shit would go both ways. And then
yeah.
Both sides.
Nah, it's very aggressive. Like it definitely moves. And you need to set your stops just in case, because that shit will go sideways on you quick.
I'm gonna pass on that Nas shit.
Yeah,
no, but you know what? Nah, but you know what? Like you can if you calculate your risk correctly though, like if you have, say that you're waiting for, this is Nas here, this is on the 15. But like, let's say we just broke this low, right? And so right now we're testing this low, basically. We haven't really crossed it. So, I mean, I still feel good about this one being hit. So say that you have your entry at that point there, and you're gonna aim for some area of imbalance, which looks like we have some imbalance here, right? Where price never came back and filled. So my target's gonna be based off of the supply that we're gonna take our entry from and our demand, which is gonna be our target. And you can have your stop loss right above the actual zone, but like the tricky part is you have to try and calculate, you know, how much are you gonna lose based off of your stop loss above that zone. So you have to tweak the lot size that you're gonna go in with. That's one thing that I haven't figured out yet is exactly the lot size that fits my risk management criteria to be able to really trade it. So that's really the only thing. But other than that, like if you're, let's say if price goes against you and it's about to hit your stop loss, like, but let's say at the beginning you told yourself, oh well, I'm only willing to risk $50 on this trade or $100 on this trade, right? That's something that you have to like stick with every time you're gonna be trading NAS. So as long as you lose $100 every time, you're good, right? That's part of your risk management. Anything after that, as far as reward, like this shit, 714 pips. I mean, that's 71 pips. that's serious. I mean,
hell yeah.
And that moves quick. You know what I'm saying? Like, so. Okay, so we're actually pulling up here on EU. That's good. Let's see here. That's a good deal. I'll definitely look to scale in for as soon as we hit our zone.
About to have Indian food today.
You better have what?
Indian food. They're
Indian
like doing
food?
an Indian wedding.
I love Indian.
Yeah. They're doing an
You
Indian
like
wedding
that
on my
shit?
job. Hell yeah, I love Indian food.
I love it.
That shit's all
Gotta-
veggies. That's all vegetables.
No.
Yeah.
They got meat too. It's just like
They can't eat pork.
sometimes people.
Some
Yeah,
some
that
Indians,
not pork.
they don't have. They don't have
What?
any
A lot of Indians, what they eat is a lot of goat. They love goat.
Yeah, that's
Mhm.
true.
Go and then everything is like yogurt based, like hella liquid.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like Greek
Yeah.
yogurt a lot.
Good.
I
If
like
you're okay with the seasoning,
vegetarian one.
thing.
Yeah.
And I just started getting into it because like working for banquets, like the Indian weddings are like for like 4 or 5 days. Like they party like crazy.
They
So,
really do.
On our breaks, that's what I would eat. But so I got to try some pretty different things. That was good. I'm not too crazy about the desserts. Like there's some sticky shit that they got, but it's I would definitely recommend it if you're not a hack.
I like baklava. It's not from there, but I like their baklava.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've gotten invited to India wedding. It was they've had one dish. It was like they fry it in a patty, and it's all lentils. Yo, that shit was good.
I like the cheese.
They fry the lentils.
I like
Yeah,
samosas.
And I love Filipino food. Filipino food is banging.
I like Thai. What is it? What's
I like
Thai
Thai.
food? Thai food. Yeah.
That was different.
I like Thai
Filipino's
food.
different.
Yeah.
Thai is my favorite too.
Thai is definitely different.
You ever ate whale?
What?
What
Ew.
the fuck?
No.
Nah,
I
never.
never. I mean, I'm not
Bro.
gonna knock it when I try it, but nah, I never.
I mean, I didn't like it when I had it. It was mad like gooey. But Gator is good.
Oh, Gator's
I heard
cool.
Shark is really good.
Gator's cool. I like Gator. It tastes like chicken. It really does.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't though.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't.
100% does. Yep.
No, it does not.
You know, it really does.
If
But
it's
like-
fried,
Like when it's fried and it's like, yeah, no,
does.
it's cool. It
Batter.
tastes, it tastes like.
No.
Nah, it really does.
No.
No, really.
nah.
Yeah, no, it's good.
And I think it's like spicy.
Good morning, hon. How are you?
Gator
Splendid.
is
Thank you for asking.
It is really good. It does not taste like
Yeah, I actually gotta go upstairs and do the engagement survey. Just wanted to finish up these before the ladies come. What time does the engagement survey close? Okay, so I'll
So
jump
Ariel,
on
why do you
my lunch.
have that bar right there? Like the,
How are you?
Which one?
Yeah, everything's
That
good.
one
I just
right
got back
there.
from the Pokemon.
It's
Very relaxing.
This one here?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
My
This is
girlfriend, she likes to gamble,
GU. So let's see.
for like 700.
If you go to the 5-minute, it was based off of the 5-minute. Here you go. Well, I tweaked it on the 3-minute, but yeah, this is our last. This is the last supply zone after the break,
So she kind of got like,
or before the break. I'm sorry, before the break. This was pretty much once price broke below these two lows. That was the last supply zone that we have there. So if we push back into that level there, then I'll look to take some
she
sells.
goes crazy.
I mean, that could be an idea,
Yeah,
you
and
know,
she doesn't even
and
wager on
EU
that, like,
should be
the
looking
most
pretty similar. So
one machine is like 50,
this one here is based off of the 3-minute, which is the supply zone we have there. So if price
Yeah, thank God.
if price does push into it, we're gonna wait for the break,
Right?
the retest, and then
Yeah,
get
I
it.
lost. I only won like 60 bucks. So.
Or actually, as soon as it pulls into that level, I'll probably actually just scale in from there and then drop.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But it was a nice resort, you know, very laid back. And it's
I like
mostly
it
for
very
adults, so
cool.
it's not like a lot of kids there, like going crazy. Like,
Ariel,
like, and I know, like, I'm still like
What's up?
young, but my age group can be a little OD.
Oh, I can barely hear you.
My age group.
have you seen my story?
No, I deleted Instagram. Well, I disabled it.
Yeah. No, you mean like you deleted the app off of your phone?
No, I disabled it.
Right.
Because I can still see your page.
No, you can't. Click on it. Okay. Nah, you can't. Ain't no way.
Boy, no way.
Ain't no way, bro.
Boy, no way.
Nope.
I'm seeing a screenshot of your old page.
Go ahead, send it.
No, let's get it. No, I can't see it. Because I thought I wasn't. That's a lie.
Yeah.
guys do a survey on how badly my job sucks.
What do you call it? But yeah, so that was fun. That was a good time.
Oh my god, you guys, I feel like fucking gaga. It's not even funny.
Drink some tea, some.
I
You
did.
know,
I feel like I have fucking drink I'm even on Amoxicillin 7 right now, and it's like always gets better, and right now it's not.
Mm.
Why
So
don't you take Tylenol with ibuprofen in it?
Tylenol and ibuprofen. Yo, this.
Yeah, mixed.
This-
Right, you
Nah,
about
bro.
to
No, that.
Trying to kill me over here, bro.
Oh my god. Yo,
you
Tylenol
need
is the
CMOS, bro.
that has ibuprofen
¿Qué
in
es
it.
eso?
I
What
mean-
is
I mean,
CMOS?
You don't know what CMOS is? Oh, you're
CMOS.
bugging.
I don't know. Do I have to go to the sea and get some Moss?
Yeah, you
Well,
do.
it actually is from the sea, from the West Indies.
Yo, what's
And what
good?
you do is you can buy it as a gel or you can buy it in its raw form. But out of
You can
the
just buy it. I'll take it,
112 nutrients that the body needs, it carries 98. So, like,
You know what's my
all the-
problem?
this
Sorry,
whole
guys.
like this whole
But it
process,
shouldn't have happened
like,
with
the,
women. Gee, you know what's my problem? I lose a lot of blood.
that's
A lot.
okay.
So I get weak every single time I'm on it. Every single fucking time. So that's why I'm sick right now. I get weak. I don't know what the fuck I'm supposed to do.
CMOS. Trust me, yeah, I'm telling you. Like during this whole process, like with me, like
I'm gonna buy this shit on
Like
Amazon. Is it on
cancer.
Amazon?
not cancer, but with
You can buy that
the
Amazon.
tumors I have, that shit is life changing.
Listen, if you really want to get educated about it, you should read into Dr. Sebi.
Yep.
And Dr. Sebi, he's the one that always put everybody on. And if you really learn about him, and like Ariel, I was talking to you the other day about this. That's where I'm gonna go next.
Yeah.
Where he's from. I want to go where he's from, and then buy the plant that they not buy it, but get the plant that they have. It's called the blue. It's called the blue tulip. Something like blue orchid. I
Yeah.
don't know what.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
he says that's his favorite plant that he loves to eat because that's all he eats. Especially like is a straight
I've
natural.
heard of Dr. Sebi. He's that herbalist, right? He's like a
Yeah, he's
natural
like,
like.
He got
I don't need
assassinated.
or like where I don't know where he's from. El Salvador? I don't know where he's from.
He's
No, I think
definitely Central American. I know
He's from
that.
Panamania.
If you could look it up. Nah, he's not from Panama. Look it up. He's
I
like
thought
from
he
Nicaragua.
Nicaragua, El Salvador, or Honduras. He's somewhere.
I think it's Honduras. I'm not sure. That's what I'm saying. Someone could look it up. That'd be dope.
I don't know what are you guys talking about. I have no idea what you guys talking about.
I'm gonna look it up.
But I have no idea what you guys talking about.
A doctor,
A doctor.
yeah, that used like herbal.
What's his
you know,
name?
like
Oh, Honduras.
natural-
He
Oh,
is from
Honduras. There
right?
you go. All right.
Yeah, that's where I want to go. Honduras.
Yeah, and pretty much the government was attacking him because he was like against like cancer
Medicine.
treatments and
No, yeah, he was
Yeah.
against medicine, like chemicals.
like pharmaceuticals.
Yeah, exactly.
So I am looking to scale in now.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That's nice, Ariel.
Yeah. All right. Fuck it. I'm in.
Whoa, too spicy.
In?
Yep.
Too spicy, my nigga. Hold your horses.
Oh shit.
Especially, I mean, listen, again, I could be wrong, especially the way the 1 hour pretty much is shaping out here. That's the only thing I don't like about this move, but we are testing a level of supply based off of this move here. So this could have potentially just been a liquidity sweep right up here, and can potentially just drop again. So on the 4 hour time frame though, we do have a pretty strong bullish candle there, which I'm not feeling too good about. But the daily, we are downtrend on the daily. Basically, we did break this low. We haven't gone above the current high that we had here. So we just been creating, or just basically consolidating throughout here. So yeah, just waiting to see what happens. But this, I mean, if am I gonna wait and see if price is gonna push all the way down here? Probably not. I'm probably just gonna take my TP like based off of maybe 20-30 pips, something like that, call it a day. But I have to see what happens here.
7:30. Okay, put in right here. Looks like a nice little cell area.
We're even back to 15-minute supply as well. So I mean, technically, it's still a really good area, but with the kind of momentum it's been moving all night long, and then you know what I'm saying, like, and then look at so GU went exactly to that zone, close to it, and it rejected it. So that's a good sign. Yeah, that's a good sign. But for some reason, EU just plays games all the damn time. Compared to other pairs, it's like, why don't you just move like every other pair too? You know what I'm saying? Like, come on.
On some like down we go and up again.
Yep. Yeah, exactly. Yep, exactly.
That's why they call it emotion.
This shit is whack.
Damn, bro.
Alright.
I guess. Yeah, I guess. Right.
Why I'm cold-hearted. I put no emotions.
There you go.
Oh man, we're getting a nice little rejection from it. Let's see what the 1 minute's doing here.
73.30. 73.30.
The 1 minute's got to break its low right here. If we break that
73.30
low,
is your entry?
Yeah, that's my entry. 73.30. I'm just trying to mark up my chart. 73.30 for take profit.
are you home or where you at?
I'm at work right now.
Oh, you at work?
Yeah, I'm at work. I'm chilling.
Cool.
Yeah, dude. I can't wait for this weekend, dog. Oh my god.
What
bro.
you doing this weekend?
Happening this weekend.
Yeah, what you doing this
Going to
weekend?
that party. I'm trying to go to that party with him.
Bro, you invited, buddy. Anybody's invited, bro.
What party?
Yeah, what party?
I think it was
It's a 90s party.
it's a 90s and 2000s party, and my boy.
What?
You know, you guys know Aaron. So Aaron did shrooms yesterday. And
That's
bro,
cool.
He said, Matt, we should have done this in high school, bro. I was like, what you mean? He's like, bro, this is bro, like, yo, colors are amazing. The vibes like great. I was like,
They're
that's
cool,
great,
right?
man. I've never taken. This weekend I'm gonna take some. I have to try some.
Oh,
shrooms.
you've never tried them?
Nah, never. It's gonna be my
They're
first
cool.
time, bro.
They're cool.
I'm excited either.
It's a good time.
Excited.
It's a good time. You gotta be with the right people though, for sure. And I'm sure you are. But you gotta be with the right people and just people who are like
And
in that
state of
same
mind, I feel
that
like.
same level with you too. Like if they're taking it with you, like you know what I'm saying, everyone's tripping.
Yeah, 'cause everything's based on vibes,
I've taken it twice. The first time we went out to the fields in Kissimmee and we picked them ourselves from the cow shit. That was interesting.
Yum.
Yeah.
Hey, nah, yo,
But
doing it with-
no, that shit was interesting. But I do remember like when I was like tripping, like it'll last you a good 8 hours, I would say. But I was like tripping, like the walls were melting, like
What?
that's what I remember. And we switched up all the light bulbs in the house or in the apartment to different colors. So everything was just like you would look at somebody and it's almost like they had like an outer glow out of their body, and it's like it fucks with you. It's so crazy. Look at EU. That's nice. So
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Yo,
so
That is not the experience I had.
was it
Like,
that?
Like I was gonna tell you, you can
Yeah.
tell when you see auras like that around
Yeah.
people, the lighter it is, then they have a good aura. When it's dark around them, it's not a good sign.
One of my buddies.
It's all about auras.
One of my buddy's shoe, he had like a black shoe, and it looked pretty ripped up. It was in bad shape, but his shoe looked like a dog's face, and I just kept looking at it, and it like kept looking at me, and I swear I was just like, I was having like a mental talk with his shoe, thinking it was a dog. That and then the second time I did it was at the woods in Wekiva Springs. That was we spent the night there, like in the woods. We just pretty much camped out, you know, the whole tent deal and everything. And that was a trip and a half though, because it's the woods. So yeah, but it's cool. I mean, once you try it, like all right, this is cool. You know what I'm saying?
I
But
want to try it.
I'm more of an upper kind of guy. Like I'm more of like give me a good you know, some good cocaine, I'll be all right.
Ay, no, qué feo. Ay, ya, no me vengas con esa huevada.
Nah, that shit, hey, that shit's lit.
No.
Nah, yeah, that's cool.
To each his own, right?
Yeah, no, I'm no, I prefer the rush because I've been to Miami plenty of times to go to like Club Space and all that shit, like the whole 24-hour party, like it's crazy. You show up Saturday, you leave Orlando at like 9 p.m., 10 p.m., get to Miami around 1, 2 in the morning and stay there until like in that same club until like 4 or 5 p.m. Sunday. And the only thing you're having for breakfast, lunch, and dinner is Coronas and drinks and shit like that. So
Couple bumps.
yeah, exactly. You need that to keep you going. Absolutely.
Yeah,
But,
I think the craziest I ever went is when I went to EDC,
Mm,
bro. Like, I took a pink. It was called Pink Molly.
yeah.
Done. I had a horrible trip, and I would never think I should again, bro. Like,
Yeah.
like
no.
the thrill was cool and all that, but I could not go to sleep, yo. Like,
Yeah.
I was getting so mad, like I was like smacking myself, like I wanted to go to bed, and I couldn't.
Nah, you
Could
just
not
gotta
go to bed.
like smoke like a fat joint and then just that'll put you to sleep. It'll like overcome
That
it.
shit-
Um
I smoke, bro. So
yeah.
like that shit was not helping
yeah.
at all. I was so pissed. I remember being so mad that day. I
Yeah.
just wanted to sleep. I started crying. Like I just wanted to sleep. That shit was so funny.
Well, that shit, like, the reason I don't like Molly like that is because last time I did it, for one, I think actually one time I did take more than I should have, and I almost overdosed in the middle of like a club and shit. Anyway,
Ay,
that was
Wait,
that was
bro,
pretty
you still
fucked
on
up.
YouTube? You still on YouTube?
Yeah, I am. Yes, I am.
Yeah, we are.
But the last time I did it, it was at a festival in Detroit for like techno and all that kind of shit, and I had taken it like about midway through the day, and it was so weird because it didn't hit me at the festival. It hit me when I got to the hotel to like, you know what I'm saying? Like that was shit. Yeah, that was super shit. Like as soon as I got to the hotel, it hit me like right there, and then I had to turn on, I had to play some music in the background. I had to get the strobe light app on my phone so I could just trip out by myself. Like that was the only thing I could do. But yeah, because I was with somebody, but like she wasn't tripping, so
damn,
I was the only one.
that's the worst.
That fucking
Oh
sucks.
yeah, tripping by yourself.
Ariel was acting with like Terrell from White Chicks.
Yeah. No, that was
With the whistle.
yeah. Nah, it was crazy, man. But that's why, believe it or not, like cocaine is cool if you get a good batch, because you have full control of yourself, and you have full control of yourself, and it's just all it really is, just like, yeah, it's just like a rush. That's all it really is. It's nothing.
So with Molly, you don't have control of yourself.
You do, but to an extent, because like you want to be around people, you want to be social, you want to be like, you know what I'm saying, like you can't stay still. I mean you can, but like you can't, you know what I'm saying?
That shit lasts forever.
I
Bro.
Yeah.
haven't done none of those drugs, but I'm so crazy. I have done acid.
Oh
I
no,
fuck with
hell
acid.
no,
Nah,
no,
I'd rather acid.
hell no. What?
100%.
I've never
Only
done that.
thing
I
I've
don't.
done was, I think it was like a bootlegged ecstasy pill. It was like a fake ass pill because I didn't even feel shit.
Oh no, what? Acid? No.
No, yeah.
Nah, my
honestly,
trip on acid was way better
Amazing.
than the shrooms.
amazing,
Way better.
amazing.
No,
I
you.
got a tattoo on it. I went parasailing. I fucking, yo, amazing.
Facts. Yeah, I was on the beach when I did it too. That shit was
Yeah,
fire.
yo, fire. Girl, I
Yo,
went
guys,
parasailing.
we gotta go back to training, guys. How's EU looking?
It's okay. It's not too
He was
bad.
looking good.
It's all right. But yeah, I don't know. I can't. I can't do like like I said. I don't like downers, so I just downers are
But
not
no, it's
my
really
not
a
my
downer.
deal.
Acid is not a downer.
Is it? Yeah, it is, ain't it?
Nah, definitely not.
Oh, okay.
It's all about vibes, yo. It's all about vibes.
I don't know. I don't know. If I never felt tired once. I was just. drunk.
Yo, shrooms will definitely. You'll feel tired with shrooms, 100%.
Hell yeah.
Conversations
You
like that
makes you want to
also
see your ancestors.
You know what?
Yo,
You know what's cool too? You know what's cool too? Like mixing up a Xanax in a joint. That's yo, that shit
So we
right
sound like
there.
some fucking crackheads right
That's
Nah, I'll do a woo banger. I'll put coke in the
yeah,
front.
yeah, that's cool too. That's cool too. Yep.
You know what is calling my name a lot, and
What?
I'm gonna do it no matter what.
What?
Ayahuasca.
Okay. Okay. I've heard of it.
Yeah. You know, it actually activates all of your neurons. Like it's
Yeah,
medically proven.
I've heard of
Yeah,
it. Yeah.
it activates all of your neurons. And honestly, it's really been calling my name. I recently met this guy that did it a month ago, and he comes up to me. You know what he tells me? Bro, he said, your third eye wants to open. Let it open.
Mm. He was probably already tripping on it. Yeah.
Right.
Ay, por favor.
He probably
No, it
was.
was already like a month that he had done it.
Oh, but it probably like gave him a bad trip, and it just like stayed with him. That's what happens with
Buddy.
acid too. Like I had a buddy of mine with acid who lost it completely, and he went to. I mean, I don't want
The man
to.
is not losing it. He's
Okay, no, yeah.
I can't believe this all started because of shrooms.
Anyway, yeah. So
what is
EU
the
moving cool here. Like Nasdaq didn't even push up to the damn zone, so. But that would have like had it triggered into that, you would have been automatically into some good profit there. We got about 30 more minutes, and we should be able to see something here. UJ doesn't make any sense. I kind of gave up on it. It just keeps wanting to push up, so fuck UJ until like it gives me like a clear look. Then I'll start looking at that again.
You said there's a DXY for UJ, right?
The Japanese index. Yep, Japanese index. Look at that. That's like super bearish. So that's why all the yen pairs are moving down moving up the way they are, because like GJ, UJ, CJ, like EJ, all those, they're all moving up because the yen is like super weak. It's just been dropping. It hasn't even been like pulling back at all. So I mean, this would have been, you see how like easily this just moves in within trend, right? So it's following the current trend. You could also trade the Japanese yen and just say, all right, this is gonna keep going, you know, like where are we at with Amazon? That's what I want to know.
I don't know, but I looked at my stock and that shit went up.
Yeah, I bought more stock on Monday as soon as it opened. It started price at like 125 or 124, something like that. So it's still a good place to like buy from, because knowing Amazon, like if it's worth 125 right now or 123, if this ever gets back up to like 500, right? Let's say if it pushes back up to 500, like that's, you know, let's say you drop, you know, I dropped a 1,000 on Amazon, and if that goes up to 500, I'm looking at a 5K return, which is pretty solid. So, and if it ever goes back up to 1,000 or 2,000, like that's just a whole nother story there.
Word.
Yeah.
Making me want to buy some more now.
Yeah.
But you bought it before the split, or?
I bought it before and after. Yeah. Cause like before the split, you get the automatic like 20-1, right? And
Yeah.
after the split, I wanted to see where it was gonna end up at, and I was like, yo, 125 is not a bad price. So I dropped another 1,000. I got like another 8.08 shares on that. So that was solid. But right now, of course, 123, you know, it's not too bad, but I feel like it at least already closed this gap right here that we had. There was a gap right here. It already closed that. So if it starts breaking any of these highs, then we're definitely shooting up. So, you know what's another thing that I've been kind of getting into? Some like retail arbitrage. I don't know if you guys know what that is.
No, I never heard of it.
Never heard of it? Retail arbitrage on Amazon. So what you
I've
got?
heard of like arbitrage.
Yeah. But what it is, it's you're basically going to stores, right, in person, looking for the clearance section, all that good stuff, and then you become a seller on Amazon. Anything that you buy,
resell them.
you resell it exactly for the new price. So
Mhm.
you make like double or triple the profit. It could be like, especially like nothing name brand, like let's say Nike, Adidas, nothing like that. It's got to be something like when you go to, or it can be, but it can't be like flagged. I mean, it can't be from like the direct store. For something about it, you get flagged. You can get like penalized or something like that. I don't know. But if you go to like Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, those kind of places, and you find something, like you look at the value and see where it's at, you know, and you could potentially
Like, let's
make
say you
double,
go to
triple.
like a thrift store.
Yeah, there you go. Yep, you go to thrift store, you
and
can
then,
sell.
and then, yeah.
Yeah, so that you could look into like eBay. eBay does the same shit too. And so yeah, I've been looking a lot into it, but I thought it was interesting. That and e-commerce too. E-commerce is something else.
Yeah, I was
Trying
looking
to
at
get my hands on.
I was looking at the Amazon FBA too, and I was thinking about doing something like that too.
Oh yeah, that's what it's called. The NBA is no, not NBA. MBA, or what is it called? FBA. Yeah. What they do, all you got to do is like, once you have the items, box them up, ship it out to Amazon. Obviously, you're gonna upload them onto your web, like your seller, your seller profile on Amazon. You send the box to Amazon, and then they're just gonna keep it at their warehouse. So anytime somebody buys it, they're gonna pretty much pick it out from their warehouse, and they're gonna send it out to the buyer.
They'll send you like half of the profit.
Yeah.
Not half, but they'll send you the majority of the profit and take a percent of whatever.
They take a percentage, yeah. You end up taking like
But still, you're avoiding. You don't have to deliver. You
Yep.
don't have to worry about storing it.
Mhm.
Nothing. It's all digitalized.
Exactly.
It's amazing.
And that's why I invested in Amazon, because I believe in Amazon.
Yeah, who I'm really proud of though is my fucking little sister, bro. She's killing it, bro. She's like Tango. She has a lot. I got a lot invested. She has pigs. She has terneros, which is cows. They also have like merchandise, like clothes that they own, like a clothing store.
Yeah, that's cool.
She's like, because I was like, she's been going on trips and like giving her mom a new phone. It's alright, bro. It's alright. Go straight. And then I've been telling her, I'm like, hey, I'm very proud of you, but you also gotta learn how to invest. And she just started spitting all this shit. I was like, whoa, yo, I'm fucking proud of you, good shit. Like, yo, keep it up. She's like, yeah. She's like, I know, I have a lot invested, and I'm making a lot of money. And it's just, we also have to, enjoy the life and it's with our family.
Yeah.
And it's happiness. I was like, damn, you're fucking right. I was like, yeah, fucking right.
Alrighty, you come on now. Don't let me down today.
Oh no. Did it really just do this right now? Oh, it's not that bad.
No, it's not that bad, but
I have a 7.3 pip stop loss.
a 7.3 pip stop loss.
Yeah, and then want to see my tips off
I'm running a 10 pip stop loss, but yeah.
My stop loss is like 74.03.
But you can't get stopped out if you have no stop loss, man.
Exactly, dog.
Yep.
My nigga.
So it's cool.
Damn, are you gonna come out for the weekend? What's up, puppy?
The what?
You gonna come out for the weekend or what's up, puppy?
Hell no. What, this weekend? No. No, I got my parents are gonna be out here. They actually get here tomorrow. So
Yeah, my ass is staying inside.
Hey, good morning.
yeah, you don't wanna be spreading that shit around. Whatever you got.
I'll feel way better.
That flu and Yeah, times are tough around the world, and then walking around with that shit.
Yeah, so that, what is it
I'm
called?
kidding.
I'm gonna go right to
Monkeypox.
Texas, nigga.
A monkey.
Go
Monkeypox.
right to fucking Texas, bro.
And carrying that shit around.
Nah,
You
she's gonna
better
roll
stay
that
your
shit in
ass
an
home.
envelope, she's gonna send it to you.
Yeah.
She's gonna roll that shit in an envelope like, yo, what's your address? Alright, here you go.
Yeah.
What'd you send me? What's the envelope?
Hey, you better be staying home.
Yo. Thanks, nigga. Little, baby.
You know what's crazy? That like it's like the pandemic never really happened. It's like now we're kind of back to normal, I guess you can say,
Yeah, finally.
right?
Right, you look at China, bro. Do you understand what's even happening in China remotely?
Oh no, I know they're still going through the lockdown themselves. At least they're coming out of it now.
Yeah, but they be eating some
No, I don't
crazy
think they
shit. Like I don't blame them. Like
Yeah,
rats' ears and
yeah.
bats. Like, oh my god.
Oh yeah, no, for
No
sure.
disrespect, but I know you love like their culture, man. But,
No,
Nah.
Japan's culture. It's a little different.
oh my bad.
Yeah, it's a little different. Nah, real talk though. Like that's my next tattoo is gonna be on my forearm. I'm gonna get like Japanese letters just going straight across, just going like right down to my wrist. That's the plan, and I want to get like some koi fish and all kinds of shit around my sleeve. But yeah,
Yeah, definitely the koi fish.
the koi fish sound cool. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna definitely be doing something. I'm gonna definitely be adding more ink. But my fucking tattoo artist in Hawaii. So I'm gonna have to go to Hawaii again. I don't mind.
Yeah.
Go to Hawaii to get tatted.
Hawaii, yeah. Hell yeah, what? I need a reason to go on vacation.
Huh.
I'm actually in November I'm going to Mexico.
That's cool.
Damn,
Well, yeah,
bro,
what's up? I was gonna ask you. I know it's in November, but we have to go to Texas. So
Okay.
if you ain't doing shit, I wanted to like smack with you one day.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Nah,
Take out your brain for a little bit.
He's not gonna link up with you. I'll tell you that right now.
Nah, yeah, no, yeah. I mean, if I got the time, we'll definitely link up. That'd be cool.
I want my girl to meet you too. I'll be like, yo, Ariel, this, Ariel, that. Like, damn, what do you talk about Ariel?
Nah, yeah. Let me know.
Ooh.
Let me know. Oh fuck. Where in Mexico are you going? Or what are you guys?
It's a cruise.
Oh, okay, that's cool. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a cruise. We're gonna go to Mexico and then to the Bahamas.
Nice.
Yeah, like Matt's sister said, you gotta enjoy life, man.
Yeah.
Damn,
You have to gain new perspectives. When you when you travel, you gain new perspectives, and that's key to life.
I just want to collect as many experiences as possible.
Yeah. Especially when you start going to like other countries, like you kind of start you get to see how they live and all that good stuff. I think that's super important. Like you gain a new understanding. You tend to like appreciate life a little more too, because depending on what country you're going into, but the countries I've been to it's like damn, like how to, I'm over here complaining about this and that, and it's just like they're not necessarily living the life that anyone lives out here. So, but it's cool. I mean, like I said, you do gain a good like perspective on that. Yeah.
I do want to go to Thailand too.
Thailand sounds cool, yeah. Don't fucking do this shit to me, EU.
Seriously, bro, I'm looking at this shit, dude. And
Nah, EU's not looking cool.
No, it's going up.
He was 10%.
That shit,
I know there's news at 10 o'clock on US dollar.
yeah.
Maybe it'll do good.
Oh, but that's why,
And
because
it's yellow though. I
fucking,
think it's light.
fucking DXY is down. It's like the DXY just needs to make up its damn mind. Is it gonna go up? Is it gonna stay up? Like just come up with something. But this shit, like I said, I had EU drop in long term. But once you zoom out to like a higher time frame, that's the problem with you know that like PDF file that I sent out yesterday.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you about that.
Yeah, so the concept behind that is that like you're able to scale in and out, you're able to like scalp the market on an intraday basis. But if you disregard like the higher time frame as well to just kind of see what the overall move is and where price is trying to push up to or push down to, then like you can miss out on the bigger picture, which is like trying to be on the right side of the market here. And this candle just closed, so this 4-hour candle just closed, and it closed very bullish. So I don't know if we'll get the pull down the way I was expecting it to at least come down and retest before it pushes right back up, whatever it wants to do. But the way it's looking, it's not too good right now. But I'm still in it. Fuck it.
Yeah, I'm still in.
You have to, when you get into a trade, you have to be willing to accept the loss, like accept how much you're willing to risk on this move alone. And if you can't accept it, you can't get comfortable with seeing red or becoming numb to red, right? Then that's just gonna fuck with your whole psychology there. Like you'll see the loss is like, fuck, like now I got to play catch up here. But if you just see it differently, like, oh, you know what, it's cool, tomorrow I'll be able to make it back or something like that, you know what I'm saying? Like it changes your perspective on trading a little bit, especially when you take these losses. So again, if I take this loss, I already took 2 losses last night, so I'm kind of going against my rules here. But if I take this last loss, I'm out, I'm done. Yeah. And like what throws me off the most too is like I was right at the top of this move right here, and this shit like dropped for 18 pips. Didn't, you know, my TP was like somewhere down here. I was about 2 pips away, and then that shit just wants to fucking turn around completely. That's annoying.
I'm just gonna hold a little bit more, and if it passes that level, that top level, I'm gonna get out.
Yeah.
I'm holding this while I got. Air got out already, right?
Who, me?
Yeah.
No, I'm still in it.
You said you got out.
No, I'm still in it.
Okay.
Yeah, I just
The
said
1 hour,
Mhm.
like it still has like, if it does go bullish, it still
Yeah.
has like, well, I'm seeing like it needs to clear up at least 1.07523, like around that area.
Yeah.
So maybe that would have been a better entry.
Yeah, no, 100%. I think so too. It's just the immediate supply zone that I was looking at. I was just like, all right, well, we tapped into supply. Then the 15 broke structure, so I was like, okay, cool. You know, the 15 is just probably gonna pull back into the supply that it created, and then that we could expect it to push down from there. But I ain't trying to do all that right now. Yep.
Oh my god, Gemma, I'm gonna fuck you up.
What?
Who?
No, Gemma, the cat.
You have a cat?
Oh, I say, what the fuck?
Y'all,
No, she's over here biting shit like she's an animal.
Who else has cats?
Definitely not me.
Yeah, I don't like cats.
Yeah,
Nah,
whatever.
No.
Let me eat my cat.
Nah, yeah, I really don't like cats. Cats are, they're alright. They don't really do much.
I got 2 pits that destroyed them. So
They do whatever they want. It's like you can't even like I'm saying? Nah.
Yeah, but that's why they're cool.
Hell no. And then they scratch you for
You
no
don't
reason.
gotta-
No,
you don't
they
gotta, like,
don't.
maintenance
Yeah, they
them
do.
like crazy. Nah, it's
Not
perfect
mine.
with cat.
Nah,
Depends
yeah.
on the cat. Same thing, like it depends on
Yeah.
the dog. What? What, you
Right.
want me to say every single fucking pit bull is aggressive?
No, it's not actually.
Okay,
I had
okay then.
I adopted a
Okay,
pit bull.
then entonces no hables
But-
mierda.
But
Damn.
yeah, nah, but
Someone's stealing a lot of
Yeah.
voice came back.
yeah, for real.
For real, like emergency.
Yeah, that was all fake. So nah, when you like listen, when you have a dog, dogs are like they're a lot more family oriented. Obviously, if a dog is aggressive, is because the owner trained him to be aggressive.
Or he was just abusive as.
Or he was abused. Yeah, exactly. That too. Maybe that. But nah, dogs are cool. Like especially a golden retriever, which is something I want, a golden retriever or a boxer, either one. But that's coming next.
Golden retrievers, they die like very, very early.
Yeah, true, but
They only
They are
last
cool.
like 6 to 7 years.
I think boxers die sooner than that, and then like they also have like German shepherds. They be having arthritis issues.
Yeah.
I feel
I mean, most dogs have arthritis.
like look at
My
these.
dog has like screws in her knees, but she's about to be 8 years old. Well, yeah, nah. When she was a puppy, she was wild, and
oh,
she like the gates that stop the dogs from going into another room.
Yeah,
mhm.
So I had 2 of them, one on top of the other, because she kept leaping over it like it was nothing.
What? How big
So
is she?
when she tried to, at this time she was only like 8-9 months, so she was very small, slim, and she was a pit, right? So she would just leap over the gate, and then when I put 2, like I kind of fucked up, like she was trying to jump over both of them, and I smacked the gate like nah, like get down type shit.
yeah.
So she fell back and cracked her knee, and I was like, damn, like I was crying and everything because I felt like it was my fault. And then
It was your fault. That was good.
Yeah, it was your fault.
It definitely was. And then I went to the ASPCA. It's like the animal, it's like an animal corporation or whatever. But
Yeah.
they did the surgery for free. It was like $8,000 for the surgery.
Oh
And
wow.
they were like, oh, we'll do it for free if you neuter her because we don't want pits anymore.
Yeah.
Like, breeding. So I was like, all right, well, I guess you ain't having no kids. But I was planning on spading her anyway. But
Oh, so it's even
yeah,
better.
so
Win-win.
they had to put screws in her knee,
That's what it
and
seems
then like I guess it grew over it. So like now she's good, but in the winter, like, she'll start like limping because of the screws. And
Oh
stuff.
yeah. It starts hurting her. Yeah.
But you would have never noticed like that she had a leg injury because
Yeah.
she's still wild to this day. Like, so she's about to be 8 years old and she acts like she's like a child.
Yeah.
But yeah, my baby, she's getting old. She has gray hairs now on her face.
Nice. I look at Bear, this motherfucker's getting old too, man. I'm like, damn, you're getting old there.
And I had her since she was a puppy, so it's like, damn.
That's why. That's like sometimes it's like hurtful. Like it's good and bad to have an animal because like I want an animal that lasts more than 20 years or like 15 years, and it's like
20
And
dog
turtle,
years. A turtle. Yeah. You can get yourself a turtle, man.
Yeah, I have a turtle.
Or
I had a
or
turtle for like 10 years now.
or a hamster.
a parrot. I'll probably do not a parrot. They were too
Get,
much shit.
nah, get yourself a pet hamster so you can like feed it while it's like on
For
the
5
wheel
years.
and shit. Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's my best friend, and in 2 years he's dead.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah,
Fuck
bro.
no.
Just make sure it's legal because it's illegal to have turtles in New Jersey, and I got a snapping turtle.
What?
So
Oh, is it really?
they don't come on my crib. Yeah, they're illegal here.
Yo, that's crazy. It's the first time I heard of some shit. How is a turtle illegal? It's a fucking animal. It's what?
Well, to own it as a pet.
Own it as a pet. What?
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I have an alligator snapping turtle. So like that motherfucker be
Yeah, that has
snapping
to
at
be
you.
illegal.
Can't put your finger in
Yeah.
there. It's over.
I'm looking into it. I'm gonna look why is it illegal to own a turtle.
Check it out. I don't know why, but EU just hanging out.
Yeah, EU just not wanting to move.
Health concerns are one reason the turtles can carry salmonella on their shells and transmit it when people pick them up. It's illegal to sell turtles in all of New Jersey.